Alright, we are here all the way from Goa, Bangalore, all set to take 3 points back home. We've got one of the best teams and today we are going to show Bangalore what Goa is.
Absolutely, we have been winning. We had a very good track record. We have been winning the matches. Bangalore on the poor side, they have hardly won any matches. I mean, go on. We have Sunil Chhetri in our pockets. So it's going to be a great game today. The FC Goa is definitely going to have a good win. And let's enjoy the match. Come on, Goa! Forza Goa!
Tejas Goram is going to rock tonight in the stadium in Bangalore. Right.
Forza Goa!
Your thoughts? We already got 3 points from here. We've never won at this stadium, so it's high time we broke the chains today. And hopefully today we are going to take 3 points from here.
What kind of a game do you expect?
Expecting a very close game, so just going to be missing in the dugout. But I think Tata's got this. He's going to be handling the team very well instead of Sergio today.